I finally installed my new Easy Wheel and I'm going to show you how it looks. But first of all, the parts. My carbon fiber fenders for the Brompton are from a silly named website that's calling itself Dino Kiddo. I don't know where this name comes from, but in any case, carbon fiber fenders with beautiful shiny clear coat finish are not expensive. Just keep in mind, you are only getting the actual fenders. You're not getting any screws, attachments, easy wheels, or stays. All of those are separate, and it's best if you hold on to what you have now and just replace the fenders themselves using the stays and screws you already have. Overall, I think the fenders look great with the clear coat on, but if you could add some pinstripes, which look like tiny racing stripes, that would be a good idea. I'm giving you a link to something I found on Amazon. What I bought years ago is no longer available, but you basically want to look for pinstripes that are typically attached to the side of cars, like the doors. And these are not racing stripes for cars. It's more like for a little bit more exclusive look for a mid-sized sedan or something like that. But on the Brompton fender, they look like racing stripes. So look around, see if something fits. Here is the way I have installed them. I also have an English flag attachment in the front. That's kind of an extension to the mudguard. I had to trim the sides of it because they were too big to easily fold, and the fold ended up twisting them. And this is the Easy Wheel I installed. I am only using the last two stays. There are no stays used in the center. That's because if you are mounting fatter tires like 1.5, those are not going to roll with the center stay in because the screws, the attachment, take away about 3 millimeters of space, and that's enough for that fatter tire to be stuck. If you are running standard tires, 125 or 135, then you can use all the stays. I see no problems removing them. So far, I have not had any problems. And as far as the wheels are concerned, I think they look pretty good, even if the color is strikingly different from the fender. If you want stays, you can buy titanium stays. Dino Kiddo has them for $50, which I guess is a reasonable price since they are titanium. Keep in mind, titanium is lighter than steel, but it is far less sturdy. It's a far less sturdy material. It has a nice spring to it, which I guess might benefit the application, but you're not saving that much on the weight, and I would say only get these if something is wrong with your stays, if they are missing. I'm not sure if you are even getting screws with this, to be honest. And Dino Kiddo is not very reliable. They do have some nice stuff, but absolutely no customer service. So once you send in the money, basically what happens is whatever they want to do. So if you receive anything damaged or it doesn't work or whatever, I don't think you have much of any recourse. So make sure to check around, check out Alibaba, eBay, Amazon, whatever you can before you buy anything. And screw sets are also available for the Brompton. They are not necessarily cheap and not easy to find. Sometimes you have to get them from England.